Falling for you. Falling for you.
Hey guys, what's good? What's up, Stockbuster? So I have an earring in my nose right now, and watch the video to see what the fuck happens. Yo, I can't believe I did this shit though, guys. Give this shit a thumbs up because I fucking did this, and like, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. All right, so guys, guess what I'm about to do? I'm about to pierce my fucking nose, and I'm scared as fuck, but I'm gonna do it because I'm a fucking G. I'm a G. So I got these needles from Sally's. They're like they're needles to sew your hair with. And I have this towel. I'm about to wash my hands because I am fucking nervous as fuck. I'm fucking nervous. Oh my god. I'm freaking nervous. Oh my goodness. I feel like I have to pee right now. That's how nervous I am. Oh my god, guys, I have to do this. Okay. I'm gonna have to go through child labor one day, so let me fucking do this shit. Alright, because like one day I'm gonna have to go through child labor. So child labor, piercing your own nose, same thing. How I'm gonna make sure I clean a spot on my nose thingy. Put it like that so it doesn't get infected. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh. Yeah. Cause like I'm trying to record it. Do you want to pierce it for me? Would you?
I'll probably throw it.
I'm fucking nervous as fuck. Oh my god. Alright, so let me just put the needle here right now, for now. And then, let's just like, let me walk away. Alright, so I'm gonna take this pen apart so I have something to use to like put in my nostril so the needle doesn't go through my fucking everywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna mark the spot that I want. Okay. I feel like it's too up,
Let me see.
but I have a big nose, so it's like hard to tell.
I'm gonna touch your face, but
Should I put it down more?
put it down a little bit more down and see how it looks.
All right. Okay. Shit's not coming off. What the fuck? Oh my god. If I pierce, I pierced my belly button by myself pretty much. So this should be a piece of cake, hopefully.
Like, you know how that little crease your nose has? Put it like over there.
Oh, okay.
See how that looks.
Third time's a charm. So, can you put it for me?
Yeah, let me wash my hands.
All right. The master's coming. The master of the piercing.
Are you scared?
Yes, my heart is beating at this point.
For you.
Okay.
Like, put your face up a little bit. I'm just trying to see, like, on your nose where exactly it would look like. Well, I'm not good at making.
Wait, where is
I'm not
it?
good at
Oh.
making-
Alright.
Okay, you're
I mean, that looks like the same exact spot.
Let me see. It's just I think it's just a little bit more towards your crease, which I think will be better so it does not hit your
Wait, what do you want it? What?
No, like
Here?
now it's more.
Oh,
like,
okay,
on your
okay.
face.
All right, all right. Oh my god, I have to pee now. So I'm gonna like hurry this up so that I can pee, and maybe that'll make me like pierce my nose quicker. Let me just feel it real quick. Oh, that feels like nothing. This is gonna be a piece of fucking cake.
Oh my god.
But there's a bone there. I have to go through the bone.
What?
I have to go through the bone.
Where?
In my nose.
What do you mean?
There's bone in your nose.
Like here?
Yeah.
That is just like
It doesn't hurt?
no.
Did it hurt when you got it?
No. It's just like it's like a little chunky, so it has to like go through it. But I had the gun because I went somewhere to do it. So I'm not really sure how the needle works, but
Alright, I'm gonna do this shit quick as fuck.
the gun they had to like keep there a little bit longer. You know how when you get your ears pierced, like it's just like
Yeah.
that one they had to like keep there a little bit and like really press it in.
Okay.
So oh my
Oh,
god,
fuck.
I cannot look.
Girl, you better look.
I don't know how.
Then.
Right now it should be fine, but like when you're going to sleep,
Yeah.
put like a band-aid or something next to keep it. That's what they told me when I first got it.
Alright, guys. It's happening.
You watched the YouTube video they did this?
Yeah, I'm so scared. I'm gonna put this part in my nostril
The bigger
because it's
part,
bigger.
yeah.
Oh. Wait, what if it doesn't go through like the right way? Oh, I'm so scared. Alright, let me take my glasses off.
Do you know what
I'm
I
just
think
being a
we should
pussy. What?
Because I heard like when they do like some
Put
needle
ice?
piercings, yeah, they numb it a little bit, make it cold. Do you want to do that first?
Yeah.
I
Can you
feel
give me
like
some
that was
ice?
just,
I'm
like-
like shaking. No. Oh my god. What is wrong with me, Jesus Christ? I'm freaking out and I need her to do this for me. Please.
I'm so terrified.
I trust you.
Oh my god.
I'm shaking. I can't do this. Okay, it's sterilized. Oh my god. I'm so scared. Alright, so.
Oh my god.
Just like push it through real quick.
I'm scared.
Wait. Oh shit, I smudged it. Oh my god, guys, I'm so scared. I'm like a little chihuahua. Alright, Linda's gonna become a piercer after this.
Oh no.
Wait, I didn't numb it. Should I?
Yes. I'm gonna cry.
Don't cry.
I'm scared. How much pressure are you supposed to put?
You just like push it. Just keep pushing it. Don't stop pushing it. You're about to have labor. This shouldn't scare you.
I have months to go.
No, they're right.
You should have Jerry do it.
No, I want you to do it.
Jerry would've panicked.
You're more gentle. Jerry wouldn't have done it.
No.
Alright.
He would have said you're crazy.
Wait.
It's not going through.
Push, just push.
Oh my god.
Push, 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 push,
It's
push.
not going.
Push, 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 push. Push, 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 push,
Do
push,
you
push.
feel it?
Yeah, push harder.
It's not. My hands are like, I need something to help me.
Okay,
Oh my
push,
God.
push, push. Is it through?
No, it's not going. Oh my god. Hold on. I need something. I don't know how she did it so fast. Oh my god.
Alright.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Is it in?
It's not letting me go in.
I think it might be in.
Let me see.
What the fuck? Yo!
Will not go in.
What
Oh
the
my
fuck?
God.
Is there a booger on the needle?
Are you stuffy.
Oh my god. It's like almost there though, I think.
I don't know.
Is that a booger or like my bone?
I don't know.
Alright.
Oh my god, I'm so scared.
Wait, let me take a deep breath out. Alright. And then you just push straight down. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Say breathe in and breathe out.
Breathe in, breathe out. Oh my god, Chelsea, it's not going through.
Say breathe in and breathe out.
Breathe in, breathe out. Oh my god, Chelsea, it's not going through.
Oh my god.
Am I supposed
What the hell?
Yeah, I can't. Jesus. Where the fuck did my eyebrow go? Oh my god. Okay. Now we're gonna put
hydrogen peroxide?
yeah. Just to like wet the needle. And I'm gonna pull it out.
You want me to pull it out?
Yeah, I'm scared.
I know.
Just pull it really quick. Ugh.
You're insane.
I need to get this. Yo, if this doesn't go in my nose, I'm going to scream and cry. I am shaking.
I know, I could tell. I'm just like laughing because I'm so terrified still for you. Do you want my help?
Yes. I can't find like where the hole gets out. I think this might be too small. Should I use the bigger one?
Yeah.
Should I try?
But the thing is, with this one, you will have to straighten it out because for you to put it in bent, it's gonna hurt you.
Okay. Alright, guys. I'm gonna put my earring in here.
Sterilize.
In there because it's like longer.
I wanna
Yeah.
sterilize it with this.
Yeah. Oh my god. I hate myself. Oh my god, I'm gonna look like a fucking idiot.
At least just leave it in until
Tomorrow?
today. Yeah.
Guys, this shit fucking hurts, okay? It hurts. If anybody tells you it doesn't fucking hurt, they probably got it professionally done.
I see the hole.
You do?
Yeah, it's tiny.
Sorry you guys can't see this part, but I'm gonna try to get this shit in my nose. So Linda pushed it through for me the first time. Yeah. Yay, thank you, Linda. So, but like I can't get the ring all the way through, but it's like mostly through, so I'm gonna stick the needle back in again and then put the ring in. Looking like fucking Rudolph the Red-Nosed.
Yeah.
So like, guys, I'm doing this to like sterilize the needle. Ignore that. And I'm gonna just push it through my nose again. Oh my god, this sucks. Ugh.
2, 3.
Fuck!
It doesn't go through.
It's always that second part. Maybe I'm just a bitch and I'm scared to push it through. If you think I should give up, comment I should give up. I'm literally fucking sweating. Oh! I did it! Oh my god, where's the back? Oh my god, Lord, thank you. Thank you, Lord. I know it was you that did this. Now what the fuck am I gonna put in my ear? Nothing?
Don't put that in right away. Let it
Okay.
breathe a little bit. And then like clean it and stuff and then maybe put that in or whatever, but right now don't put that in. You're
my
gonna hurt
God.
yourself. And you're probably gonna get an infection.
Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Oh, what up? Bling bling.
Oh wow, why? Did you really buy that big?
No, it's a nose ring.
That's her earring.
Oh yeah, it's an earring.
The nose ring wouldn't go through.
Oh yeah, you're going on YouTube, by the way. Okay. Oh my god. You think I could change it tomorrow?
Leave it in. What do you work tomorrow?
I have school tomorrow.
Are you embarrassed to walk around like that?
Alright guys, so I put in, well, I shoved in the fucking nose ring because it wasn't, I should stop cursing, right? Because there's children and stuff. Okay, so guys, I shoved in the nose ring. My nose looks fucking, we can't not curse. So I shoved in the nose ring because like I had to. I had no choice. And it's in. It's all the way in. And woo! Thank God for Linda. And if you're trying to do this at home, do not do it because no, this is not it. It's terrible. All right, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace and love.